Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Xcover6 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this device. First of all, go into Settings, then scroll down and choose Lock Screen section. After that, click on Screen Lock type and tap on the best one for you, swipe pattern, PIN or password. I will go with pattern. Now you need to enter it. Then if you made a mistake, choose retire at the bottom left corner, repeat it and click on confirm. Now you need to draw it again or input it, click on confirm at the bottom right corner. And over here, manage lock screen notifications by tapping on those letters and tapping on notifications to show. When you're ready, choose done. Then, in order to go back up your pattern, click on continue and log in to your Samsung account. If you don't want to do that, just tap on home button. And now when I turn off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!